Okay, so we have talked about superposition, uncertainty, and particles sharing the same brain cell across galaxies. But now it's time for the big one, the thing behind all of this, all of that, everything behind everything. It's the drum roll, please. The wave function, the universe's secret file. Okay, so the equation literally tells reality what to do, and guess what? It also makes zero sense. Physics really hates us. So what even is a wave function? So let's not get something. Let's get into something straight. The wave function is not a physical wave that goes like these or like these. It's not made of water, not strings of guitar. It's not even a thing. It's information. It's a mathematical wave of probability. Okay. So it tells us where a particle might be, how fast a particle might be moving, what state it might be in. Basically, the universe is saying, eh, the particle is probably around here doing something. I don't know. Bro, even reality doesn't know about reality. The famous equation. Okay. So, you see this guy here? This curly boy? We. Okay. It contains everything about a quantum system. Okay. If you knew pi, psi, however you want to pronounce it, perfectly, you would know about the particle's entire existence. But guess what? Here's the fun part. You can never really know psi entirely. Okay. Because physics really said, nah, bro, there's too much knowledge in that. So, instead of certainty, we get probability. Thanks to the universe. What this psi actually means. We get probability of finding a particle somewhere. Not its exact place, not its exact thing. Let's go for place at for the example. Okay. So no just chances, not the exact position. Imagine your room was a quantum psi square. Okay. Psi square is basically the telling you the probability. So add a little 2 here. Okay, psi square is basically the probability of something particle. Okay, for imagine it's your socks. When we get the pi square, we would either have a 80% chance of the sock being in your chair, 15% chance of it being on the floor, and a 5% chance of it being the fridge in randomly. Okay, for no reason at all. That's literally quantum mechanics. Particles don't have one location, they have a list full of possible locations. Until you look, there are a lot of them. Okay, wave function collapse. So, wave function collapsing. This is where things get weird. By weird, I mean amazing. Okay, before you measure a particle, it exists as a wave of probabilities, a cloud of maybes. Okay, but once you observe it, boom, the wave function collapses into one single outcome. It wasn't in a place, then you looked, it suddenly was. I know, weird, but that's how it works. Like your teacher calling your name for attendance, and you didn't exist until someone looked for you. Maybe not like that, but whatever, yeah, leave that. So, why collapses happen? So, why a wave function collapses? That's a mystery. Nobody knows. There are many theories like coherence, hidden variables, many worlds theorem, or like what I said in some of my previous videos that it's because of the interaction of the environment with it, blah blah blah. So there is nothing that is nothing that nobody fully agrees with one single thing. That's all being stuff. We don't know why a wave function collapses. That's the weird part about it. And Einstein really hated this, while Niels Bohr loved it. And yeah, we were just sitting here and observing quantum physics. It's just how it is. It just does. Okay? Okay. Imagine I have this pen. Okay. Okay. So there is a probability of the this thing of the pen being on the upper side or the bottom side. Right now I don't know. Okay. It's a probability cloud, a wave function. Okay. And as soon as I observe it and show you, the wave function collapses and one comes wherever it becomes real. It chooses on probability and which one it comes. Okay. And for those who have been saying that I have said this in a previous video of superposition, yes, I have. But wave function is superposition is wave function just showing off. Wave function is the very big, the fundamental thing behind all of this. Okay, so why the wave function matters? First, it controls superposition. Second, it controls entanglement. Third, it controls uncertainty. Fourth, it kind of controls every probability. It is also a reason why quantum computer works. Many more things. Okay, it's not just an equation. It's kind of the operating system uh, of the universe. It's like Windows 11, but worse. Worse. Okay. At least Windows doesn't collapse when you look at it, but this does. Okay, never mind. Okay, so yeah, the way that's wave function for you. I try to make it really easy. I hope you understood. So, universe's probability cheat sheet telling particles what they might be doing or where they are. It's confusing, it's chaotic, and but still amazing. So, again, physics really hates us, and I will see you in another quantum headache.